Hi, here's your BGS Michael. Today we will talk about bumps and dents. To help you, BGS Technique has a wide range of tools available for all the professional denting doctors. For example, this one, or this one, or maybe this one. But we want to concentrate on this product today. Let's take a look at how it works next. We can see in here that we have a dent in the fender, and how we can professionally eliminate it I will show you now. Pick the suitable iron from the set and we can start immediately. In order to be able to use the set professionally, some basic knowledge is essential. As you can see, the set includes all lengths, width as well as different heads. We've just seen how to get small dents from the vehicle's body. For large area bumps in the vehicle body, we'll use the vacuum dent repair kit from BGS Technique. Very briefly, I want to go over this tool, because I gotta tell you how super awesome it is. On top of the tool, on the rubber pad, we got the suction cup, which you can get in 3 different sizes in the set. At the rear, you have the vacuum pump, the valve for bleeding air, and of course, the sliding hammer. Let's do it. You've just seen how to remove the bumps, and even without damaging the paint. These 2 sets are absolutely professional tools for me, and I would not want to miss them in my workshop. Your BGS Michael.